Welcome back, everyone. We have an update from Can-Fite BioPharma Ltd. It trades on the New York Stock Exchange American under the symbol CANF and on the TASE under the symbol CANF. It's an advanced clinical stage drug development company with a platform technology that's designed to address multi-billion-dollar markets in the treatment of cancer, liver, and inflammatory disease. Please welcome COO and CFO, Motti Farbstein. Nice to see you, Motti.
Thank you for having me back, Anna. I'm happy to present and give a short update of the company. Just to remind you, we are an advanced clinical stage company. We have small molecules, very safe for the treatment of inflammatory diseases, advanced liver cancer, pancreatic, and NASH, or as it's called today, SLD. We have a robust clinical proof of concept. We are about to initiated one pivotal phase 3 study in advanced liver cancer, and we're about to initiate the pivotal phase 3 study for the psoriasis. We are dually traded in Tel Aviv and New York Stock Exchange, and we have enough money for the next at least 12 months. We are doing now, heading for the psoriasis pivotal study. As I said, if you can see now the pipeline, we have patients recruiting to our pivotal phase 3 study in advanced liver cancer. We're about to initiate a phase 2A in pancreatic cancer and enrolling patients to a phase 2B in NASH, and we have some more preclinical development programs in rectal dysfunction and cannabinoids. I don't want to talk about it. And that's about it. And I can also add that since the last presentation, we had a very interesting finding by third party. It's a researcher from Naples University in Italy, and we signed an agreement to co-development piclidenoson with the Italian foundation by the name of Teleton. It's happened to be that there is a Lois syndrome. It's a rare genetic disease. It's very rare. Approximately 1 of 500,000 people are getting it. The market's supposed to be around $100 million in the US only. Patients do not survive about 40 years. And it's happened to be that these researchers was doing, tested many molecules to combat this disease, and she found out that piclidenoson in preclinical study corrected the genetic syndrome. And we signed an agreement recently, and we are about to initiate a program, co-development with the Teleton, the Italian foundation, and we are very excited because it's bring an opportunity to come to the company, and with rare disease, we can potentially register it based on the success of a very limited number of patients. So that's my update for today, and I will be very happy to answer questions.
Yeah, a few questions for you. Can you specify why today Can-Fite is positioned as an advanced clinical stage company?
Yes. As of today, we are doing or about to initiate 2 phase 3 pivotal study. The first one is we are already enrolling patients in the US, Europe, and Israel to a pivotal phase 3 study in advanced liver cancer in a stage that there is no other alternative for these patients. So based on the data, or maybe on the interim analysis, we will be able to register the drug. And with the psoriasis, based on the answers that we received recently from the FDA and the EMA, where we presented the registration plan of piclidenoson for psoriasis, we are about to initiate a pivotal phase 3 study. So hopefully there will be 2 drugs in the market if the data will be positive in these 2. And we have a few more phase 2 studies, but you asked me about the advanced, so that's the advanced one.
Well, the question about the phase 3, does Can-Fite have the expertise to go ahead for the phase 3 clinical trials?
Yes, we do have an experience with both psoriasis and liver cancer. We just finalized the first phase 3 in psoriasis and the phase 2 in liver cancer. We do know the field. We do have, I think, the best key opinion leaders for both diseases. We already presented and got the blessing of both agencies, the FDA and the EMA, and we are doing the study that was designed based on their help and directive.
And as of your new low syndrome, are you aware of any regulatory status that you can receive from the FDA or the European Medicines Agency?
Yeah, we probably will get an orphan drug and fast track designation from both agencies. It will help us to facilitate or speed the study and the applications. And it also will grant us more protection when we will start to market the drugs.
And Nat Taylor wants to know if your timelines have been updated.
No, timelines haven't been updated. We are enrolling patients to the liver cancer, NASH. We are about to initiate the pancreatic cancer, and the same for the psoriasis phase 3 study. So we don't know yet the timelines for the Lowy syndrome. It's new, it's fresh. We are now, we'll discuss it with the agencies, and we will come up to the public with the timelines for the Lowy syndrome. Other than that, we didn't change anything.
And Jack Shelton asks if you have any partnerships with JVs or any major biotechs.
So as of today, and I can let me know if you see the slide, we do have 3 partners, territorial partners, that got the rights to sell the drugs once they will be in the market. We have partners in Canada, 2 companies in Europe, China, the territories, and 2 partners in South Korea. And on top of it, we have also a very interesting vet program. A company by the name of Vet Biolix took the rights to do the development on their resources for osteoarthritis in dogs, which is a major market. And hopefully we'll get the data of the animal study and we'll be able to enjoy also markets and in the canine field.
And Skylar wants to know what we can expect to see in September before your next update. Anything special on the horizon?
September, you mean this month. So I don't see, and there will be no new clinical milestone during September. We might get some update to the public about our development status. We keep talking to potential partners, but that's for the future, and there's no guarantee for success in September.
And Motti, do you have any closing remarks for our viewers today?
Thank you for listening. I think that we are a very interesting company in very low market cap, and we need one success in one of our field, and as we are in advanced clinical stage, we hope that we will be able to bring a drug to the market. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for joining us with this update. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, stay with us. We have 2 updates from Longeveron and Segan. Stay tuned. There's a coming up next.